So you're trading your Toyota Tacoma for a Ford. Could be a Ranger, could be a Raptor, could be a Bronco. A lot of you folks have said you're going to do this. So I thought I'd stop by a dealership and see just what the pricing is for these other vehicles that are supposedly much less and better than the new Toyota Tacoma. So we're going to start off right here in the front. And I don't know a ton about the Ford Rangers or any of these others. There's a Bronco sitting beside it. So bear with me here. But this is a Ranger. It says Sport 4x4. It does have a rear slider. It is a metal bed. There's no composite plastic. There's no liner or mat in this. Let's move around to the side. It says Lariat there. Taking a look inside. Maybe a little more luxurious, I guess, than what the Tacoma is. The front end, I wouldn't say it's any better or any worse, but I could do without that pewter piece down there. Let's walk around to the side, see what the sticker is on this truck. This one is $49,625. I'd say that's about in line with the new Tacoma. This is a 2024 4x4 Lariat. It's a 2.3 liter EcoBoost engine, 10-speed automatic transmission, and then there's a bunch of options and stuff on it. Take a quick look at the wheels. Got that brushed aluminum, not my favorite thing. The one next to it here kind of has a gray wheel on it. I like this better. This is another Sport 4x4. Again, same kind of bed treatment, same kind of window. Everybody's going to this portal style window. I will say I really don't care for the electric lines. They kind of accentuated them in this truck. Not a big fan of that myself. Moving on down, this is an XLT. I'm not sure how well you guys can see inside, but a little bit more basic than the one we just looked at. Moving around to the front, same kind of treatment up there. And of course, we have to check out the sticker since this should be so much less than the Tacoma. $42,230. And this one is 2.3 liter EcoBoost, 10-speed transmission, about the same as the other. There is a Raptor up front, but that of course is a full-size truck. We're not really interested in that. Or maybe you are, I don't know. Here we have a Maverick. If you're looking for the micro truck alternative, I guess. These, I've never been actually up close to one before. This appears to have a composite type bed. I'm not exactly sure. Does not look to be a liner of any sort. Does not have a rear sliding window in it, and is obviously lower than what the other trucks are. Interior wise, pretty open and pretty basic, I think. The wheels, they are black. I dig that. And the front end, you know, it's a front end. There's another one right there beside it. Let's check sticker on this one. You can get into a Maverick for $34,035, and it is a 2-liter EcoBoost 8-speed transmission, all-wheel drive. The one beside it in this, I don't know what you call this, light green color, this is a hybrid actually. Let's check this one. I don't know that this one was a hybrid, is it? No, this one was not a hybrid. This one is. Got the gray wheels on the sides, not too bad. Let's take a look inside. Pretty much the same as the other one. Again, it is a hybrid, so we've got that hybrid badge rather over there, and a blue Ford badge on the back. This goes for $31,685, and this is, let's see, a 2.5 liter hybrid engine, auto CVT transmission. So a continuously variable transmission on this. Notice I don't see anything as far as add-ons or anything like that, so apparently there's no market adjustments or extra money in these trucks. Let's walk over here. I think this is an F-150, and actually it's a 2023, so we're not even going to give that one time of day, but it is an F-150. They've got some Mustangs sitting up there, and then the Abomination over here. Why Ford decided to put the Mustang badge on this car, I have no idea. But since we're here and I've never actually looked at one up close, let's take a closer look at one of these. I do like the color. This is a Mach-E 4X. Look at that thing. Do you like that? Does that turn you on? That to me is not a Mustang, right? But anyway, back to this one. See if we can find a sticker on this. Here it is. What does this go for? Looks like $53,590. And it is a 91 kilowatt usable battery. I don't know what any of that means. Single E speed transmission. Supposed to get, I guess, 99 combined miles per gallon. That's probably the only good thing about it. Where do you even plug this in? Up here in the front. One more that we're going to look at since we're here. Why not? I do like the Mustangs, and it looks like we might have a hopped up one down here. It's funny, you go from a 5.0 liter Mustang to a hybrid over there. Let's take a look at this just for kicks. 55,310. This is a 5-liter V8, 480 horses. There you go. So maybe you're going to get out of the trucks altogether and jump into a 480 horsepower Mustang. I don't know. One more. This one's actually, I guess this one must be older. There's no sticker in it. It is a GT. This one, this one's probably my favorite, actually. This is a, let's see, it is a GT Coupe Sport, or GT Coupe Premium, I should say. 5-liter, 480 horsepower for a mere $55,345. I do like this one the best, though. I like that wing on the back as opposed to the other styles, the lower profile wings, I guess. So if I was to buy a Mustang, I guess it would be this one. Anyway, I just wanted to stop by Ford here and take a look at this great Tacoma alternative, or one of them. We're going to try to swing by a Nissan dealer here down the road, take a look at the Frontier and see what they have to offer, assuming they even have any in stock. Leave a comment, let me know. Any of these Ford Rangers look like a good replacement for the Tacoma for you? I'd just be curious to know. Thanks for watching. Stay safe out there. Bye.